Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Hamna Awais and I'm your preschool teacher. I hope you are enjoying your online lessons and learning from them. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Prep class, do you know what is the meaning of these lines? Okay, I explain you. Prep class, as you do some physical exercises and activities to keep your body active and healthy, exactly like this, you have to do some exercises for your brain also, to make your brain more active and brighten up your vision. And do you know what is the best exercise for your mind? Dear kids, reading is the best exercise for your brain. That's why you must develop your reading habits. Prep class, I hope कि प्रेप क्लास के प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे जो हैं वो टीचर की बात मानेंगे और डेली रीडिंग करने की हैबिट को डेवलप करेंगे. Okay, prep class, it's time to open your reading book Hansel and Gretel. I'm sure you did a good reading practice of page number 1. That's why I'm going to play a vocabulary guessing game with you. Are you ready to play with me? I know you are ready. Okay. I will show you some words and you will guess which word I am showing you. Your first word is... Guess it? Yes, you are right. It's Hansel. The next word is... Guess this word, please. Yes, it's Gretel. Now guess this word. Yes, it's brother. Guess this word. You are right, prep class. It's house. Now guess the last word. Yes, it's woods. Very good, prep class. Now we are going to revise what we read on the page number 1. Read with me. Hansel and Gretel are brother and sister. They live with their parents in a house near the woods. Let's move to page number 2 and read what is happening in the story. Prep class, picture is showing कि मामा जो है ना वो हैंसल एंड ग्रेटल को किसी बात से मना कर रही हैं. Let's read with me and find what exactly is happening. Prep class, put your fingers on the words I read. Hansel and Gretel like playing in the woods, but their mother always says, don't go into the woods. It's dangerous. देखा बच्चों, आपको टीचर ने बोला था ना कि पिक्चर में ऐसा लग रहा है कि मामा किसी चीज़ से उनको मना कर रही हैं. Okay, let's read again with me and put your fingers on the words I read. Hansel and Gretel like playing in the woods, but their mother always says, "Don't go into the woods. It's dangerous." Read for the last time with me. Hansel and Gretel like playing in the woods, but their mother always says, "Don't go into the woods. It's dangerous." Okay, kids, our today's lesson is over now. Move to your home assignment. You will read page number 2 of your reading book, Hansel and Gretel, and prep class, you will show the picture of your other reading books also to your teachers. Okay, prep class, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.